today's lesson, we'll learn how to play I Like Chopin by Gazebo with the melody. Here's middle C for reference. We'll start by learning this beautiful piano intro. With our right hand, we'll play A, D, E, F, A, F, A, B flat, A, B flat, G, F, E, G, E, D, C, G, F, E, F, D, A, F, A, B flat, A, B flat, G, F, E, G, E, D, and C. For our left hand, we have D, A, D for D minor, B flat, F, B flat for B flat major, C, G, C for C major, A, E, A for A minor, and we'll repeat this a second time. With hands together, we have this. Here's the preview of the verse section. On our right, we have G, G, A, G, G, F, A, D, G, G, and C. And we repeat this again. On our left, we have F, C, F for F major, D, A, D for D minor, B flat, F, B flat for B flat major, and C, G, C for C major. And we'll repeat this again. With hands together, we have this. This brings us to the pre-chorus, which sounds like this. On our right, we have C, A, F, D, F, C, A, C, C, A, F, D, F, C, A, C, A, D, C, A, G, A, B flat, A, and G. On our left, we have A, E, A for A minor, B flat, F, B flat for B flat major, A minor chord, B flat major chord, A minor chord, B flat major chord, C major chord, and D flat, A, and D flat for A over D flat chord. Now let's play with hands together. This brings us to the chorus. On the right, we play A, G, F, A, B flat, C, B flat, A, G, F, E, G, A, B flat, A, G, C, B flat, A, C, D, E, D, C, D, E, F, A, and G. On the left hand, we have D minor, F major, C major, A over D flat, F major, A minor, B flat major, C major. With both hands together, we have the following. This bridges to a beautiful piano instrumental that sounds like this. On our right, we have A, F, E, F, A, B flat, G, F, E, D, C, F, E, D, C, B flat, E, D, and C. For the left hand, from the last two chords of our course, we have D minor, B flat major, C major, A minor, B flat major, G minor, A minor, and we'll add A over D flat at the end. With hands together, we have this. The synthesizer section that plays in the beginning and in the middle of the song. On the right, we have C, D, F, A, F, G, D, F, D, C, D, C, D, C, D, F, A, F, G, D, F, D, C, E, G, A, E, G, D, E, D, C, E, C, E, G, A, E, G, D, E, C. On the left hand, we'll play D octaves for D minor, B flat octave for B flat major, C octaves for C major, A octaves for A minor. With hands together, the synthesizer section sounds like this. Finally, we have a second instrumental section, which sounds like this. Our first chord is D minor 7, with D on the left, and C, F, A on the right. D minor 7. Next, we have B flat major, with B flat on the left, and D, F, and B flat on the right, followed by F on the right. Then we have C major, with C on the left, and C, E, and G on the right. Next is A minor, with A on the left, and C, E, and A on the right. Then we repeat those chords again. And end with A over D flat, with D flat on the left, and D flat, E, and A on the right. So we've learned all the sections of the song. If you have any questions or requests, please leave in the comments down below.